In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Trello Board 2025 5 minutes. We're walking through a clean, reliable way to hand off a Trello board so someone else fully runs it. This is perfect if you're changing roles, wrapping up a project, or simply consolidating responsibilities. Start by logging in to your Trello account. Once you're in, open the specific board you want to hand over. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct board, since ownership affects permissions, notifications, and who can make major changes. Next, look to the top right corner of the board and click the Share button. This opens the Member and Permissions panel. Here you'll see everyone who currently has access to the board. Make sure the person you plan to transfer ownership to is visible in this list. If you don't see them, they won't be able to take over yet, so they'll need to be part of the board before you proceed. Find the person you want to take ownership. Beside their name, you'll see a role selector. Change their role to admin. Admins can manage members, change settings, and perform all critical actions on the board. This is the key step that effectively passes control to them. It's a good idea to let them know you've promoted them so they can confirm they have the right access and everything looks good on their end. Once the new owner is an admin, open the member list again and click your own name or profile. From here, choose the Leave Board option to remove yourself completely. Trello will ask for confirmation because leaving means you'll immediately lose access to cards, comments, and notifications for this board. If you think you might need future visibility, coordinate with the new admin first, or consider staying as a normal member instead of leaving entirely. Also, make sure at least one other admin remains on the board before you go. Never leave a board with no admins. A few quick tips to avoid surprises. If your board belongs to a workspace with specific admin policies, some permissions might be restricted. Check with your workspace admin if you can't change roles. If you want a record of the board before you leave, consider exporting or copying key information first, and always communicate the handover so the new admin knows they're in charge. That's it. You've successfully transferred ownership by making the new person an admin and then removing yourself from the board.